Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given a box and whiskers plot of 200 students. So this will be my total number. I shall use the letter N to denote it. And from this, we are supposed to sketch a cumulative frequency curve. Okay? How to go about doing it? Step 1, of course, from the box and whiskers plot, I could gather a few information, namely the minimum, which is here, the lower quartile value, which is 20. This is my lower quartile. My medium, which is here, my upper quartile, and my maximum. Which is the highest value, okay? And from here then I could then get all these values in neatly. Minimum is 17, lower quartile is 20, medium is 21, upper quartile is 22, maximum is 25. Okay, so right, how then we plot or sketch a cumulative frequency curve now? Well, we need to know where is the position of these values, okay? Minimum is of course on the horizontal. Maximum value will correspond to the 200, which is the total. This is the total number of students. So if you see here, right, then you start to see that Mr. Tan here would probably see that it's 25 must correspond to 25, and this one should be the total 200 student, and the minimum is here that correspond to the 0 student. This is my minimum. Now we need to know where exactly is the lower quartile, medium and upper quartile. Now that we know that the total is 200, meaning that I'm going to have 1/4 of 200, that will give me 50. That's why this is the point where I have my 50 and my 20, which is my lower quartile. So I plot this point. Using the same idea, half of 200 will give me 100. So I'm going to have to plot this point where it corresponds to my 121. Replicating the same thing, 3/4 of 200 is 150. So therefore 150 and 200 is 22. This is my Q3. Once I got these 5 points right, then I could then do a rough sketch to connect them together. And that is how you sketch a cumulative frequency curve from a box and whiskers plot. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.